We start here in January 2025. Well, the Eclipse offer is all the ice cream, popsicles, French fries, curly fries, the fried Oreos. And then we make all this decoration, make it nice and fancy for kids. And then when I give this item, say, oh man, the expression, the face. I like to see the faces. And you can come in here, you are welcome. Makes nice and feeling comfortable when you come in here in this building. If you have a bad day or you have a problems with your husband or wife, kids, you can come here. You come and try something sweet. Maybe you forgot what you do hours before when you show up here. So that's the plan for Eclipse. When I get this building, it looks nice, it looks okay here. But then the basement and the second floor, man, I said, man, we need to do a lot of work there. Well, we're planning to do more stuff and more stuff. I never done. Bryan Area Foundation gave me a big hand, a lot of help, a huge help to me. I said, well, thank you, Bryan Area Foundation, for this support to this business, to this building.